this is the solar system. All of it. What are these? These are batteries.
Lithium batteries. These are batteries.
Lithium. How many are they? So this is 1,
8,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
These are 8 lithium watt batteries.
Yeah.
So what is this?
That's a battery switch.
So you open it and oh, so if you want to switch them off.
Now it's off, yeah, because the other inverter is off. It's gone. It's got a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
These ones are off. So that inverter.
Yeah, no, this set is not working.
So the four one is the one which
yeah.
is working. So what is this here? Because I see a network port.
Yeah, those are there are special inverters that need to communicate with this battery, otherwise it doesn't work.
Oh.
We use those ports for communication.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. So okay, these are also battery switch. So this is the inverter
That's
also.
inverter.
Hybrid.
Hybrid.
So which means it can charge.
Okay.
It can charge using
Yes, it can charge with
electricity.
Yeah,
Okay.
it can charge with generator, it can charge with solar. Now, in this house, there's no ESCOM. There's no generator. So you only got the panels there. There's the panels.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the panels.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the panels there.
So if it was ESCOM, it was gonna show.
ESCOM will show on top of that. Or generator will be on top.
On
Yeah.
generator. So
Yeah.
so what is saying here? This is the inverter.
That's an inverter.
Hybrid.
Hybrid solar.
So which means you can charge your batteries using electricity.
This one's got a battery charger.
Okay.
Battery charger is built in.
Oh, it has a battery charger
Inside.
built in.
Yes.
Okay. So which means it has a battery charger built in.
Yeah.
So which can help you to charge using
Electricity,
generator
or solar panel.
or solar panel. Okay, that's good. And these are switches.
These are panels now.
Panels.
From the panels outside,
Okay.
they come here first.
Oh.
Yeah.
The panels that pass through this
They come here
first
before they go to the inverter.
before they go to the inverter.
Yeah.
Then the inverter to the batteries.
Yeah.
Wow. And this guy?
That the two inverters, when they're working, one inverter is working during the day. Okay, well, the other one is charging only. At night, it will change over automatically to the other one.
They call it what do they call it?
Automatic ATS, automatic changeover switch.
Oh, automatic switch.
Automatic changeover switch.
Change over
Automatic
switch.
transfer switch
Okay.
or automatic changeover switch.
Wow. Guys, I didn't know anything. That's the thing. So that's why I'm making this video. So you got to have this. You got to have your switches. You have to have an inverter. But this system had 2 inverters. So one was for 4 batteries, one for 4 batteries. So one inverter got messed up, so they went to fix it. So that's why you can see. That's why you can see this part. All the batteries are on, and 1, 2, 3, 4, they are off.
Yeah.
So when they bring this inverter, everything's gonna be fine back to this.
Yeah.
So this thing powers the entire house.
There is no ESCOM in this house. It's only solar.
Wow.
They've got 5 fridges that are working.
You see? He said they have
5 fridges in there.
5 fridges,
I think there are 4 or 5 television sets also.
5 television sets, lights,
Even the
computers.
guest house, it's also on solar.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, working on this.
Yeah.
No, this is good. So let me say something. How much is this battery one?
Okay. This battery is, it's a brand you buy. Yeah, they about 22, 25. This.
How much?
25
Each.
each.
Battery has 25,000.
Yeah.
So how much is that in dollars? 25,000 could be 1,000. It's like it's like 2,000 US dollars. Let's take it like that. Each battery, 2,000. So how much? How much in dollars? I don't know even how to convert to dollars.
25,000.
But
Times what? Is it 18 now?
it's something like 18.
So.
No.
So it must divide.
Yeah, I have to divide. Guys, we're getting money for you in the US dollars. We do divide by 18 something.
Yeah, then you're at 1.4.
Oh, so this is gonna be each battery costs you 1,400 US dollars.
Yeah.
You get me? So you need 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 8,000, then 400. Okay, something like 12,000 US dollars to buy all these. Okay, right? And this inverter?
Inverter is how much is that? 12,000.
12,000.
Yeah. Better cheap.
Local money.
Local money.
Yeah, so African money is 12,000, which could go for maybe close to $800 US.
Let me see.
Let me see. Let's get.
12,000 divided by 600. 700.
Oh, yeah, it's $700 US. This one, but you know, it depends on what on the brand. That's what he told me. Yeah, the brand matters much,
Yeah.
and this could be, I don't know how much this.
That one is 1,700, which is.
And this is $100 US. Anyway, guys, this
Yeah.
is cheap.
Yeah.
And this.
That one is about 2,000.
This one.
Set complete.
Oh, complete set with this.
Yeah. This whole set, the box, including those things. Those are for lightening outside. These are the circuit breakers.
Oh,
This is circuit breakers.
so this is circuit breaker. So this is gonna mean that this could cost someone like maybe $80 US to $70 US.
Yeah, because that's about 3,000.
So this is all what you need, guys. But now we didn't go to the panels and all that, but this is the major issue, because even if you don't have the panels on the system we put for them here, let me even give you guys the numbers, these numbers, your numbers.
079
Listen, it's 079
39
39
34
567. So you can call him, then he can explain to you. Hey, I'm so happy, I didn't know this. So which means you can have this without panels.
We can have this, if you got ESCO, you can start with this without panels.
Then you buy panels.
Then you get panels later.
Wow.
Yeah, and this inverter, this model, can work without batteries. During the day, you can switch off the batteries. It will work, the whole house.
This inverter.
This make, yeah.
The battery inside.
No. It's designed to work with panels only.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, without batteries.
Without batteries.
But it's not going to be storing. It's going to be giving you straight.
Yeah.
Okay. He said without batteries, you can use this inverter to supply electricity.
Like in the farms, they buy this panels.
Oh, without.
They use it during the day only.
Then they don't need batteries.
Yeah,
They don't need storage. No, well, it's understandable, guys. So he say, if you have this inverter, that's what they say. The brand matters. So you don't need batteries if you have these inverters. If you're gonna use it during the day,
Only.
the reason for the batteries is just for storage.
To use at night.
Yeah, to use at night and all that. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget the numbers he gave you. Then you can call. Thanks.